Once upon a time in the beautiful hills of Rwanda, there lived a remarkable man named General Fred Rwigema. He was known for his courage, leadership, and unwavering commitment to justice. From a young age, Fred dreamed of making a difference in his country and fighting for a better future for all Rwandans. As a young man, Fred joined the Rwandan Patriotic Front, RPF, a rebel group dedicated to overthrowing the oppressive regime in Rwanda. With his exceptional military skills and fearless determination, Fred quickly rose through the ranks and became a key leader within the RPF. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks along the way, General Fred Rwigema never wavered in his belief that a brighter future was possible for Rwanda. He inspired his fellow soldiers with his charisma and bravery, leading them into battle with a sense of purpose and unity. One particularly memorable moment in General Rwigema's journey came during a crucial battle for the liberation of Rwanda. As the enemy forces advanced, Fred stood tall at the front lines, rallying his troops and leading by example. With courage in his heart and a steely resolve, he fearlessly charged into the heat of battle, inspiring his soldiers to fight alongside him with unwavering determination. Through his strategic brilliance and unwavering dedication, General Fred Rwigema led the RPF to victory, bringing hope and freedom to the people of Rwanda. His legacy lives on as a beacon of courage and inspiration for generations to come. General Fred Rwigema's story teaches us the power of perseverance, courage, and leadership in the face of adversity. His unwavering commitment to justice and equality serves as a reminder that one person can indeed make a difference and change the course of history for the better. And so, the courageous journey of General Fred Rwigema continues to inspire and uplift all who hear his story, reminding us of the incredible impact that one individual can have on the world around them. Subscribe to this channel Nzambe TV for more stories, like share and leave a comment. I have learned a lot from your comments,